What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Marshall from Paw Patrol. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with a curve for the bottom edge of the hat. So we're going to start all the way over on the left side. Let's bend this down in the middle and bend that back up towards the right side. Now I want to flatten off the ends with a straight angle line going up and in. And we'll draw that same curve along the top. Now let's draw the top of the helmet. On the left side, we're going to step in, we're going to curve this up, and then in towards the middle, and let's bend this out and then down towards the right side. Now on the right side, we're going to draw a circle for the flashlight, going all the way around and then down, and we'll trace that along the inside. Let's go all the way up to the top. We're going to draw a square, with two lines going up, and we'll flatten this off. Now I want to add a trim across the top. So starting on the left, we're going to follow that curve, going up and then down. On the left side, we come down and out. Do the same thing on the right. And then from the ends, draw a straight angle line coming down towards the hat brim. Let's add another trim in behind. So we're going to step up, curve this down and in behind, continue out and up on the right. And then we're going to add that shield in the center. Starting at the very top, we're going to draw another curve. Go back to the left, come down and out. And I want to bend this down and in towards the center point. Let's trace this along the inside. Now inside, we're going to add that paw symbol. Starting in the middle, draw a small oval, add another oval on either side, and we'll draw a larger oval along the bottom. Now with the helmet in place, let's move down and draw the bottom edge of the eyes. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start on the left. We're going to curve this down and up, line this up on the right, and do the same thing. Now let's round out the top of the eye. Starting on the inside on the left, we go up, round this out, and then come down. Let's draw two circles along the bottom inside of each eye. So we're going to go around, come down, just blend that in. And I'll draw a smaller circle in the center for the pupils. And we'll fill the pupils in black. Now directly below the eyes, we're going to add a curve. Starting on the left, go up in towards the eye, go out, and then down. Now in the center, we're going to leave a gap, draw another curve for the top of the nose. From the ends, bend the nose coming down and in towards the middle. And it'll fill the inside of the nose in black. Now let's move down and draw on the mouth, starting on the left, curves down, across the middle, then up, and then on the ends, we're going to bend this up and then out. Let's add a bracket on the ends of the mouth. Let's go back to the center of the nose, draw a straight line coming down, and we'll add 3 spots on either side. Now let's move out and draw on the side of the head. We're going to start underneath the helmet, come down and in around the eye. Same thing on the right. Now I want to bend this out around the cheeks and then pull that in towards the chin. Let's bring the chin down in the middle. So we're going to come down, round up the chin, and go up towards the right. Now along the side of the head, we're going to draw in the ears. Let's start from the top of the head, bend this around, and then in around the cheeks. From the bottom, round this out, go out and then up. And we'll bend the ear back around and then in underneath the helmet. Now in between the head and the ear, we're going to add a fold, going out and then down. Now we're going to go back and add some spots around the ears. Let's start on the left. We're just going to wobble this line going all the way around and up. add a small spot on the inside, and then one more along the side. Let's do the same thing on the right. We're also going to add a couple spots along the cheeks. Blend that out. And then I'll switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of each spot. And now we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Marshall from Paw Patrol. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.